Does this happen to you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your towel bar with a simple trick that anyone can do. The reason why the towel bar would not mount is because there's a little screw that you have to screw down in order for it to latch on to the wall mount or bracket, whatever you want to call it. You actually need a small flathead screwdriver for this, but if you don't have one, you can use a nail clipper with a nail file. Wow! The nail file actually fits in that screw. Just turn the screw counterclockwise and it will lower the screw down for you to fit it to the wall mount. Here it is in slow motion. Once you put it back on the wall bracket or mount, make sure to turn it clockwise in order to secure it to the wall.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know? How would they know?
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.